3,000 players who get money, almost 1,000 for dice, almost 200 second best win, and there you go again. By the way, with autoplay you can still place the bets in advance. Okay, Fiddle. Say no more. No, I'm not, Robin. Forex on a crazy time. That one, we need that one. Come here. Crazy time. Are you home? Come on, brother. Bring the juice. Stay. Look at this one. Forex and we got a crazy time over there. Hey. Bro, this should be fun, right? Come on, let's go. Let's do it. Whee! All right. Ladies and gentlemen, 4x applies right about now. Watch me. Whee! Such a beautiful window. And right about now you still have 3 floppers. Blue, green, yellow one. Let's go. Wish you all the best. Majority is sticking with the blue one. The biggest multiplier. Uno momento, 400, hey, tutti frutti. For green, hey, double, you home? Yes, you are, for the yellow. The biggest multiplier for the yellow might be 800. Oh, snap. Well, double with 80. 80 on a yellow.
The One Punch Man, right? Everyone knows the One Punch Man, but Mob is like a little bit underrated. Although the Mob is better than One Punch Man. Because, well, I mean, One Punch Man is funny. One Punch Man is a good parody, for example, crazy time on all the superhero stuff. Welcome everyone who joined us out of the options available. You can check statistics down below. But it's pretty straightforward. That's a crazy time, by the way. It was a 4x multiplier. Booyah! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we are hitting here. Oh, yeah. You ready? I don't see it. Wow. Booyah, ladies and gentlemen. 4x multiplier on a crazy time. Come on, give me something good. Green or blue or yellow. Many more. So come on, give me some doubles. So the one punch, right? Dun 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 dun. So 43% picked blue, 400 X is the highest mix of good luck to everyone. Come on, give me some doubles. Give me some doubles. If we're gonna get 2 doubles, I'm gonna jump over it. But give me at least 1 double. Speaking of the doubles, 40x on a green, 60x on a yellow, and double on a blue. 800x possible. Come on, we need 800x. You ready, guys? You ready? Come on. Boom! We need another one. Another double. Come on. 800x is possible, but we need the double. Come on. Give me the double. Give me the double. Double. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Another double. 1,600x possible. Ready? You ready, guys? All I gonna be the only jump. Let's go. 1,600x possible. Boom. Let's go. Give it to me. Yeah, another double? Maybe another one. Come on. Another double. Oh, yeah, it was close. 240x this time, though.
Thank you, Roger. Thank you, baby. Oh. Love for you. That's a lot of love for you there, Roger.
All right, thanks, Lassie girl. Two extra eight, good luck on her body. There we go. Hey, Hershey, love you too. Hey, Hershey has a chocolate bar. That's a chocolate bar, Hershey's, by the way. I never tried the Hershey's chocolate bars. Never. There we go. That was funny.
Thank you, Roger. Oh, that's so sweet.
All right, there we go. We got a Pachinko there again. Everybody know. Expect the worst and expect unexpected. Oh man, this is crazy. I'm doing some cardio on the stairs. Okay, 7x, 10x, 15, come on, 20x, 25x, 40x, 100x again there. Whoa, 200x right over there. Woohoo! All right, look at that. Look at that. Where the drop zone gonna be? Over there. Best luck, everybody. All right. Yo. Can we get it? A double would be nice. Come on. Booyah. That's a double there. So the max multiplier going to be 400x, guys. Look at the board, guys. Woo. Looking snazzy. 400x. Come on. Drop zone. Nice. It's okay. It's a middle, guys. We have a chance. Okay, 200x, 400x. Oh my goodness. Come on. Yes. No. Oh. Woo! Another double. Yo. We ain't doing this again, guys. And max multiply is 800x right there. So, let's go, boys and girls. Oh man. And drop zone looking snazzy, looking good. Let's go, guys. Come on now. So, come on. That's an 800x right over there. Come on. My heart is pounding. Come on. Oh my. Oh my.